Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. Suggested for you is one of the features of Facebook that enables users to discover new and related content on the platform. On the basis of various factors, you can get suggested for you posts. Now, to turn off Facebook's suggested for you post, on the Facebook app, find a suggested for you post or a group post. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Then, tap on Hide Post, which will hide post from this page. Post hiding the suggested for you post, you can either undo or report or manage your feed accordingly. And you can also tap on the snooze option, which helps you temporarily remove the remove suggested for you on Facebook. Tap on hide all in case you want to complete stop seeing posts from the person or page. Tap on the manage your feed option to customize your feed as desired. Facebook ads have a vast reach of 2.11 billion users. This reach is often considered annoying appearance that users do not enjoy while using Facebook. Although, unlike the suggested posts, you cannot hide or snooze them. What you can do is reduce their appearance. You can carry out this procedure by following this video. On the Facebook app, tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap on the second last option, Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Privacy Shortcuts. Scroll down and find Preferences. Then, hide ads that you do not want to see in the Advertisers tab. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.